interesting table which tells us that there are drones which are sent from China, spying ones. All of them are spying ones, or those who were found inside. So this I have found very significant table. Why? Because it appears in one book, which is Genesis, and even in one chapter 3. Unbelievable. So what you have here? You have minimal in the Torah, in the Genesis, Amalatim. Amalatim are the drones, which is like is abbreviation of plane with no man. Yeah. Then you have next to it the date, 5085, 2024. Basically, it's 5A, 5008. Right? Amazing. All comes here. Best meeting with the drones. And here, machine in green from China, which where they are going through Artsakh, United States. And what is interesting, minimal in Genesis, spying, rigul. Yeah, rigul, because the sentence is Amalatim rigul, the spying drone. Unbelievable. Very, very significant. So what he says is that China sending drones to spy. Okay, we'll not go there. Important teachings also that is a part of the process of Messiah. What is the idea? Have to do with Kabbalah. It's amazing. In such a small area, you have minimal the Malatim, the drones, and the years this year 5,785, and minimal spying, yeah, in the United States. And from China, missing. Okay, I think there is something behind this, because to have minimal best meeting and such small one must be, don't know. So maybe they send somebody, maybe they send more. Okay, something to think about. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, good. Okay. Let's go with that.